Now, when we talk about this period is considered as the period of drastic changes and unrest. It was the period of drastic changes and unrest. When we talk about drastic change means a kind of revolution. Revolution means drastic change. What is revolution? Drastic change. So revolutionary changes happened in this period in all walks of life. Means politico administrative sphere, social sphere, economic sphere, and religious sphere. So all walks of life witness the drastic changes. And if drastic changes happen sometime, always there would be unrest. Getting the point? Whenever in the journey of mankind, if there is drastic change, that would be creating unrest. For example, Industrial Revolution happened in Britain, and that brought drastic changes. Getting the point? When Industrial Revolution happened in Britain, the things got changed, and then to handle the situation, philosophy or concept of socialism came. समझ रहे हैं बात को? Socialism came because the problem was created by Industrial Revolution. Drastic change in the field of economy, machinization. So here also in India, the use of iron plowshare in the agriculture made many changes. And if changes would be drastic, unrest would be created. And to settle down the unrest, Buddha and Mahavira came. Getting the point? So the same thing happened. In 1871 in world history, when the master of Europe, France, was defeated by Germany, the change happened, and that was very drastic change. And that would be changing the balance of power, and so First World War and Second World War would be coming. So therefore, this was the period of drastic change, and that would be bringing the unrest. And to healing that unrest, Buddhism and Jainism would be coming. Getting the point? And in bringing the drastic changes, we have understood the tendency traits of later Vedic period, Rig Vedic period, then later Vedic period. Now, iron is very important, because though iron was found in India in 1100 BC, but it was first time used in agriculture in 600 BC. So due to the use of iron plowshare, all these spheres should be changed. All the spheres are having their own significances, but economy is very important thing. Marx says that all things are derived by economic fact.